For most, this has been a 20-year journey, but really the story goes back even further. 1984, my former boss, Congressman Mario Biaggi, a New York City police legend before he came to Congress, authored legislation that became public law to build a National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial. It took us 7 years, but in 1991 we dedicated the National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial. 21,541 names on that memorial across the street, all men and women who gave their lives for the public safety of this nation. But in 1991 we had a challenge. Was this the beginning or was this the end of a journey? And 7 years later, in 1998, 20 years ago, we decided to build a National Law Enforcement Museum that would tell the complete story of American law enforcement. And this museum is absolutely amazing in so many ways. You have an amazing history of law enforcement being told, but you also have interactive exhibits, a walk-in-the-shoes experience. You go through their training in our training simulator. You become the detective in the Take the Case forensic science lab. Or you become the 911 emergency call dispatcher in our 911 emergency ops center. The artifacts help to tell a whole different story. We have J. Edgar Hoover's desk and so many other artifacts associated with his amazing career. We have the bulletproof vest used by Al Capone, and we tell the story of how he was brought down not by Eliot Ness and the Untouchables, the way Hollywood has portrayed it, but by Elmer Irie and the federal criminal investigators from the IRS. We have the helicopter that was used in the 1982 Air Florida crash rescue. 5 people were rescued because of the heroics of that helicopter pilot and his assistant. I think this is going to be an absolute must-see destination for visitors coming to Washington, D.C.